Learn English with Story. In this video, we will learn English in 3 steps. Step 1. Words to learn. Day.
Day.
Exploring.
Exploring.
Outdoors.
Outdoors.
Coastal.
Coastal.
Nature.
Nature.
Adventures.
Adventures.
Sun.
Sun.
Alarm.
Alarm.
Dawn.
Dawn.
Shower.
Shower.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Scrambled.
Scrambled.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Toast.
Toast.
Backpack.
Backpack.
Water.
Water.
Snacks.
Snacks.
Map.
Map.
First aid.
First aid.
Hiking.
Hiking.
Boots.
Boots.
Trail.
Trail.
Drive.
Drive.
Countryside.
Countryside.
Wildflowers.
Wildflowers.
Hills.
Hills.
Peaceful.
Peaceful.
Scenic.
Scenic.
Beauty.
Beauty.
Birds.
Birds.
Leaves.
Leaves.
Forests.
Forests.
Streams.
Streams.
Viewpoints.
Viewpoints.
Photos.
Photos.
Plants.
Plants.
Wildlife.
Wildlife.
Landscapes.
Landscapes.
Memories.
Memories.
Friends.
Friends.
Family.
Family.
Environment.
Environment.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Sunset.
Sunset.
Step 2. Story. Hello, I'm James, and I'd like to share with you a typical day in my life where I indulge my passion for exploring the great outdoors. I live in a small coastal town surrounded by nature, which makes it the perfect place for my daily adventures. My day begins with the natural alarm clock of the rising sun. Even before my alarm goes off at 6 a.m., the gentle rays of dawn filter through my curtains. I stretch and yawn, excited about the day ahead. A quick shower and a hearty breakfast of scrambled eggs and toast prepare me for what's to come. My trusty backpack is always ready by the door, filled with essentials like a water bottle, snacks, a map, and a first aid kit. I grab it, along with my hiking boots, and I'm off to explore the wilderness. Today, I've decided to hike a trail I haven't been on in a while. The drive to the trailhead takes me through picturesque countryside, with fields of wildflowers and rolling hills. It's a peaceful and scenic start to the day. Once I arrive at the trail, I take a moment to appreciate the natural beauty that surrounds me. The chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves create a soothing soundtrack. The trail meanders through dense forests, crosses clear streams, and leads to breathtaking viewpoints. As I hike, I like to take photos of interesting plants, wildlife, and the serene landscapes. It's my way of capturing the memories and sharing them with friends and family. I also make sure to leave no trace, carrying out all my trash and being respectful of the environment. Around midday, I find a suitable spot to enjoy my packed lunch. Sitting on a moss-covered rock by a babbling brook, I savor a sandwich, some fruit, and a piece of chocolate. The break allows me to recharge, both physically and mentally, as I listen to the soothing sounds of nature. After lunch, I continue my hike. The trail becomes steeper and more challenging, but the sense of accomplishment keeps me going. I'm rewarded with stunning vistas of rolling hills, the glittering sea, and maybe even a glimpse of local wildlife like deer or foxes. As the day draws to a close, I find a quiet place to sit and watch the sunset. The changing colors of the sky are a reminder of the beauty and wonder of the natural world. I feel a deep sense of peace and connection to the world around me. By the time I return to my car, I'm tired but content. The drive home is a time for reflection on the day's adventures. Back at my cozy house, I prepare a simple dinner, often a salad or pasta, and enjoy a quiet evening. I might read a book or plan my next hiking excursion. My daily explorations bring me not only physical exercise, but also a deep sense of joy and gratitude for the natural world. Each day is an opportunity to discover new trails, observe wildlife, and connect with the beauty of the great outdoors. As I drift off to sleep, I'm already looking forward to tomorrow's adventure, wherever it may lead me. Step 3. Words to learn again. Day.
Day.
Exploring.
Exploring.
Outdoors.
Outdoors.
Coastal.
Coastal.
Nature.
Nature.
Adventures.
Adventures.
Sun.
Sun.
Alarm.
Alarm.
Dawn.
Dawn.
Shower.
Shower.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Scrambled.
Scrambled.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Toast.
Toast.
Backpack.
Backpack.
Water.
Water.
Snacks.
Snacks.
Map.
Map.
First aid.
First aid.
Hiking.
Hiking.
Boots.
Boots.
Trail.
Trail.
Drive.
Drive.
Countryside.
Countryside.
Wildflowers.
Wildflowers.
Hills.
Hills.
Peaceful.
Peaceful.
Scenic.
Scenic.
Beauty. landscapes,
landscapes,
memories,
memories,
friends,
friends,
family,
family,
environment,
environment,
lunch,
lunch,
sunset.
sunset.
Thank you for watching.